Hi, my name is Brian Farrar, and I'm a production associate here at CP Cases. Today, I'm going to show you how we create custom foam inserts for our customers. Custom foam inserts are an essential part of protective packaging solutions. They are the primary defense against shock and vibration forces that would be transmitted to the equipment in a drop or transit situation. Foam inserts can be created in a variety of ways, but all custom solutions start with the gear. Customers provide CP engineers with 3D models, 2D drawings, or in some cases, sample parts. For simply shaped equipment, our team utilizes basic measuring tools to create a 3D representation of the item. We also have the ability to 3D scan, which simplifies the design of complicated pieces. Leveraging our computer-aided design software, we are able to generate complete models of the foam inserts with precise cavity layouts. During this process, our team also selects the appropriate foam type and density to ensure the safety of the case contents. This selection is based on different criteria, including equipment weight, surface area, and fragility. Once the design is complete and approved by the customer, our design engineers determine the best processing method. At CP Cases, we primarily utilize a CNC router for production of foam inserts, but have also produced solutions through water jet cutting, punching, stamping, hand forming, and sculpturing. CNC routing provides accurate and repeatable cuts that can be programmed directly from the models. The programs are checked and loaded into the machine, which outputs the tool paths and creates the parts. After all the layers and inserts components are processed, our production team organizes, glues, and fits each layer into the corresponding case and runs through a final quality check. Foam inserts can be used with all of our protective case offerings in a multitude of applications, from weapons cases, camera cases, to medical cases, and instrument cases. We have over 50 years of experience designing and fabricating protective inserts. Our foam engineers are specialists and always on hand to advise you on your foam choices and applications. Please reach out to our sales team to discuss your application today.